catch me on the downslide. I'll be heading up.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to be working on a 2012 Mercedes-Benz E350. We're going to be installing the serpentine belt and the tensioner. I'm going to give you detailed instructions on how to do this, make it a basic job for you. It should be a fairly easy process. I'll let you know what tools you need and the things you may run into while you're doing it. Okay, so these are the parts that we're going to need. I do like the Continental belt. It's a belt I recently started using on most vehicles. It's very quiet. We're going to put a new idler pulley, tensioner, new belt. You simply want to start out by lifting up this little tray. I'm going to set that out the way. Oh, it's a 17, so that's for the tensioner. As you can see, this thing got a little grenade pin in it. Guess I could have put the 17 on that. Find a good spot to put this flashlight on her. Really like this Milwaukee flashlight. We can clip it in kind of so it don't fall. Something to take that extends it for you, get a little leverage. Pay attention to the way the belt's routed. It's not that big a deal because you can always Google the belt routing guide. We simply want to put that on to the 17, which is that nut. You can't see it from the top, but it's underneath. That's where this goes. Okay, so it's definitely gonna go up. But that's gonna cause us a small problem. We'll go like this. Because it's belt off first. I know the grenade pin's slightly above it. Hoping that I can use this. The reason why you want to put a grenade pin even on the older one, because if you don't, you can't get access to the E socket. Okay, so that works. Because it will actually come back over and cover up the E socket right there where you can't get it off. It looks like an E12. Yes, E12. You take an E12 with a 2-inch extension. Go ahead and get that old tensioner off. One. Two. You was gonna try to do this where you don't drop nothing because you don't have to take that cover off or dig down there. As you can see, it's pretty basic. I'm gonna go ahead and take the new tensioner after I pull this belt off. See, it's a little squeaky. Alright, now we want to take this here. Let's get down, please. That first bolt started in. We're gonna put the second bolt in. Take the ratchet. Load that up. Take your sand little tool that you use for tensioner with some leverage. Just get you a nice snug on each one of those. E12, remember that. You want to get access to the idler, which I believe if we take this off, two little clips over here on that front. Set that up there, and the idler sits right there. So it's the same size as the two bolts for the tensioner. Now you want to take a new idler. Essentially, this is going to come out, but it's been there so long. There you go. Observe both sides of it. Make sure it's not different, which it's not. Put that back up in there. Get started. This is screwing into aluminum, so don't cross thread it. It'll never be right. You have to put a helical on it and everything. Get a good 3 or 4 turns into it. Well, you know it's right. You want to hold this piece back on there while you're tightening it down. Get it snug. Take your little ratchet, put it on there. A lot of y'all gonna be using regular ratchet anyway. Get a nice little snug. Now, if you can remember the belt round guide, just route it on there. If not, just Google the belt routing guide 2012. Mercedes-Benz E350